Hello and welcome back again to our channel, Tutoring Made Easy. In today's video, we've been asked to correct this number here, 23.4625 to the nearest thousandth. To the nearest thousand. Now, we first have to identify where the decimal point is. This is our decimal point here. Okay, so the first decimal number is this one. This is our decimal point here. So the first decimal point is this one. This is the first, which is the same as the 10th place. Now the next one here is the second decimal number, which is also known as the hundredth place. And then we can also have what we call the third decimal point, the decimal number, and then which is also known as the thousandth place, the thousandth place. So remember that with decimal points, the first one right after the decimal point becomes the 10th place. The next one is the hundredth. The next one is the hundredth, in that order. All right. So if we've been asked to correct to the nearest thousandth, then we've been able to identify the third decimal number, which is this one here. We've identified the third decimal number, which is this one here. But the question we're going to ask ourselves is that what is the number after this third decimal number? And that number is 5. The number here is 5. And this 5 is actually also equal to 5. And because it's equal to 5, if it was more than 5 or equal to 5, we're going to add 1. We're going to add 1 to this number here. We're going to add 1 to this number here because that's the third decimal numbers. Therefore, the answer is going to be 23.463. This is this one here, the third decimal number. But because the next number is actually 5, or it can be more, then we have to add 1 to the third decimal number, and that's how come this gives us the 23.463. I hope this helps. Thank you, and please subscribe.